Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to bookmark favorite Nerdwallet articles. If you found an article or a guide that you love on Nerdwallet and you want to save it for later, here's how to bookmark your favorite Nerdwallet content so that it's always there with just a click away. First, start by logging into your account at nerdwallet.com and then browse through articles on topics like credit card investing, student loans, and or home buying. Once you find the one that you want to save, scroll to the bottom or the top of the article and then look for a bookmark icon. It usually appears as a small flag or a ribbon near the article title or the share buttons. Click the bookmark icon. If you're not signed in yet, Nerdwallet will prompt you to log into your account to save the article. Once bookmarked, your article will be added to your personal saved articles section. To access all of your saved content, just go to the profile menu and then click bookmarks or saved. You're going to find every article you've marked organized and ready to read at any time. This is great for creating your own financial library, from credit tips to investment strategies, all curated by you. Never lose track of the insights that matters most. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Nerdwallet tutorials that keep your financial knowledge organized and at your fingertips. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.